Hello guys, here Gabi again. Today we are going to talk about keys principle, keys in microservices.net. Keys stands for keep it simple, stupid, and we know that a lot of production systems do not fail because of the team lacked knowledge. They fail because the team built something too complex. So this complexity could be clever abstractions, unnecessary patterns, architecture that looks impressive but it is impossible to maintain and operate, and eventually the complexity becomes a technical depth and fast. Okay, so in this video I will try to explain simply what is keys in microservices as a competitive advantage and how we apply it in .NET 8. Okay, so we could say that the smartest architecture is the one that our team can actually run. So if nobody can understand what I design, what as an architect I architected it, debug it or operate it, it's not advanced. It's fragile. It's not okay. Everyone in the team should understand and read what's going on, what is the design inside the architecture. Okay, so keep it simple. It means we try to bring to the table the best solution. Okay, is the simplest one that works. Is the simplest one that is easy to understand and easy to operate. Okay, so its keys stands for give me the best solution that works, that is simple, and that that it is easy to operate. Okay, we will take clarity and maintainability over cleverness over time. I don't want to be clever. I want to be concise, clear, and fast, because clever solutions do not scale across teams. Okay, so how could we apply it? We apply it by not doing over engineering when it's not needed. We did not add complex patterns if they don't provide real value. We used minimal APIs with thin endpoints, not fat endpoints. We used we use CQRS only when they added value. We don't force it when it is not needed. Okay, and we try to keep, for example, the repositories with concrete methods. Okay, we try to choose the simplest approach that meets the requirements and do not try to introduce complexity just in case. Okay, and why this matters in microservices? It matters in microservices because in microservices the complexity scales and explodes and it multiplies. Okay, if one service is over engineered, it's annoying, but if all of them are over engineered, it's a platform problem and we cannot change what is already done because the solution is there, perhaps it's working, but nobody knows what is really doing. So it's a conflict, we could say, right? So it's a scaling strategy. It's not a coding style. I need something that is the best solution possible, that is simple and easier to maintain. Simple and easier to maintain. Okay, so we can scale it easily in the future. Okay, is build what we need. We build what we need. We keep it readable. We keep it understandable. We understand the intention of what we are doing. All right. We avoid patterns that do not add value. Simple doesn't mean weak. simply means sustainable. We want software that is simple, sustainable, concrete, and that we can understand and change it if we want without over-engineer. So I hope this video helps you to understand a little bit better the KISS principle. So thank you. See you next time.